Good morning, or whenever you are. There's been stuff going on over the past few weeks. I've been a little bit distracted, but it's Sunday morning and I'm on Frog's Orchard, of course. We had an allotment day a couple of days ago, and I came for a wander over here while I was over there. And while I was over here, I wasn't over there, but while I was over there, I wasn't over here. And I saw this. This is a big tree. Don't know what type of tree. If you know, put it in the comments. And this big branch has fallen down, including all the mistletoe, and it's kind of over the path. So I'm going to have a bit of a clear up, take these smaller bits off, turn them into wood chip to be used in the food forest in my allotment. And if I can remember how, I'm going to set up the cameras and film another really boring video for you. So I've just cut the smaller branches off. The bigger branches are going to get turned into logs and left here as a log pile for bugs and beasties. I thought I was filming it on the GoPro, but the GoPro's decided to play silly buggers. So I'm back onto the crappy cam, which is absolutely ancient and is still going. So I'll see what turned out on the GoPro, but it wasn't doing anything when I looked at it, and I can't get it to do anything. And then I'm probably going to do something very, very naughty. Chuck that over into the long grass and bring the van on. I think I'm allowed to do that. I do need to clear some brambles so I can get the van in. Exciting, isn't it? So I'm going to clear this area of brambles because this is the main access, but as you can probably see, I won't be bringing the van in because some idiot's gone and parked across the gate. Just had a chat with the guy walking through. He said, have you seen the tree that's fallen down? Have you reported it? I said, I'm dealing with it. But he called it the ball tree. So this is a branch that's come down, and it's from this much bigger tree. And you can see it's got big balls. And that is mistletoe, which it's very poisonous. It produces white berries, and it was sacred to the Druids, who were the priests of Celtic Britain before the Romans came over about 2,000 years ago. And very few people get to see it close up, so I thought you can see That's the leaves of the tree. This is the branch. And as you come here, the mistletoe is growing out of the same branch, which I'd never seen before. I wanted to get this on camera. It's parasitic. It doesn't grow out of the ground. It grows on other trees and it feeds off of those trees and possibly weakens them, but this one seems to be doing okay, apart from all the ivy and the tree house or whatever that was. I just thought that was really interesting.
Morning.
Hello, you.
How are you doing?
I'm playing with my chainsaw. Hello.
Well, you left your money my way.
Oh, sorry.
not monetized, I'm not sponsored, but this is what I'm using. And the reason I'm using this is because, frankly, it's the best battery powered. We need to be moving to battery power and away from fossil fuels for obvious reasons. So I've invested in all this stuff. This is my chainsaw. It only took me about 7 years to convince a certain someone that I should be allowed one. And within a couple of weeks of owning it, I injured myself. But with a hedge trimmer, I still haven't injured myself with this yet, and I don't intend to. This is the Ego 56 volt, 14 inch, and it's slicing through this perfectly adequately. I've not used a petrol chainsaw for years, so I can't really give it a proper comparison, but it's doing the job fine. Right, that's going to have to do for today, because van's full up. Got to get all that home and get it shredded, get the van ready for work tomorrow. That's all clear, apart from the logs, which, like I said, I'm leaving. That bit's gone. This is all clear. So I'll probably be back next week to have a bit more of a tidy up. And yeah, hopefully at some point get a lot more of this cleared and get a lot more trees planted in here. Because I've been, like I said, away for a bit. But there's stuff happening. I can't go through this at the moment because there's so much wildlife, bugs and beasties and butterflies and stuff in here. And I've got a wildlife garden at home. It's about the size of a postage stamp. There's a guided tour with Cat, which I might link in the description. I'll probably forget. And there's nothing. We've got some bumblebees living at the bottom of the garden. Apart from that, there's nothing. But this is absolutely alive with butterflies, bees, grasshoppers, dogs, humans, all sorts. So it's definitely a matter of scale. You need something on this scale to really support an ecosystem. We need more of this. I'm not going to clear too much of it. I'm going to leave it till winter, and then I'm going to clear only what we need to grow more fruit and veg. I've just spotted, a lot of people don't realise this, that there is horseradish, and there's that there, some there. And what you do is you dig up the roots, mash it all up, mix it with something, and that's how you make horseradish sauce. There's loads of it around. People walk past it to go and buy horseradish from the supermarket. Ooh, there's a human. Oh, there's another bit of missing tree. Wonder where that went. Elderberries. There's another video I did a while ago where I showed the comfrey. I couldn't find it the other day, and I just worked out why. It's there, under the tree. It's there, and I've just crushed another load of it, but that's fine, it'll grow back. It's all good. Bye bye.